Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am Racinho BJJ, and we are bringing you another BJJ rolling breakdown video, this time featuring another teammate from the Logic team. And I have my gimbal set up and ready to go. My teammate Joey is going to be recording this match, and I think moving forward, I'm going to be using this gimbal and having somebody record my rolls, just because I like the panoramic view. You get to see all angles of a roll and not just a one static angle. So with all that out of the way, let's get into the roll. So here we are, we're going to slap bump, and I'm automatically going to start going for the grips that I want. I kind of want to get that lapel out of his belt and start using that to set up some stuff. As you can see here, he's got grips on the sleeve and the collar, and he's going to sit to guard, and I'm going to start sidestepping to get into kind of like an X-pass knee on belly situation right here. I'm going to take my left hand and kind of keep him down, use my right hand to grab that lapel, and he makes that 90-degree angle on my knee to get my knee off that knee on belly, and I'm going to immediately scoop that up and start settling into side control here. Now, as you can see, he's trying to bump and get out of this side control, and I'm going to let up just a little bit just to get that knee on belly and keep the pressure nice and heavy. I'm kind of floating with this knee on belly. It's not a super heavy knee on belly, and as you can see here, I try to get over to mount, but my leg gets caught and I get into half guard right here. Now he's trying to take his right arm and go around my neck, but I'm feeding that lapel out because I know I'm going to use it later and I just want it out. I think about taking it to my other hand, but I'm not going to do that. I take my left hand and I grab that pant leg right there. As you can see, what I'm going to do here is he tries to step over to mount, and I have that plant leg, so I'm able to cut the angle right here, but he gets to his feet and I get to my feet as well. So now I'm kind of just working, getting those grips that I want again, and I'm just trying to give him an opportunity to see what he wants to do, if he's going to go for a takedown, if he's going to go for a guard pull, and I'm not really being as aggressive. Right here, he tries to go for, I think that was maybe a collar drag, but he kind of landed on his back and not on his side, and it sets me up perfectly for my passing position right here. As you can see, I get that left hand under the head again, grab that the back material right there. He's trying to scoop me up into a closed guard position, but I'm crafty on the feet, very light-footed right here. I'm going to grab that pant grip right there, and I'm going to try to make sure that my weight is heavy. As you can see, I'm using my left hand to grab the back of his lapel and keep my shoulder pressure into his jaw. And right here, I'm able to backstep pass out and get into a side control position here. And as you can see, I'm just kind of keeping that side control position and making sure that he can't recover his guard. He tries here, but I've got my knee wedged firmly in between his leg and arm, and I immediately step over into a mount position. Now, as you can see, my hands right here, he's trying to escape by putting his hips, by putting his arms by my hips, and I'm going to go for a sneaky Ezekiel choke. I usually finish these, but here I'm kind of like applying it. I'm making sure that he can't get out. I think he was going to tap, but then he's able to roll. And the good thing about the Ezekiel from the mount is that you can still keep it, but I decided to let it go and start working my tried and true closed guard position here. So as you can see, I'm getting a hand in the collar right there. I'm working on the grips that he has. He's got actually very good grips to get out of the closed guard, but as you can see, he's putting the left knee in the butt, and I'm just kind of moving over. I decide to open my guard, and he immediately starts to try to scramble to his feet. I close it again. That was kind of just a test to see what he was going to do. As you can see right here, he's doing a good job of trying to put my knee down. So what I'm going to end up doing is grabbing the cross collar and the sleeve, and I'm going to open the guard and see kind of what he wants to do. Immediately he starts trying to pass from his feet right here, but I've got very good guard attention. I'm using my left hand to control the pant leg, and I'm using my right hand to control the collar just to make sure he doesn't get anywhere. I almost go for a collar drag right there, but I decided to that was kind of just a test just to see what he was going to do. As you can see, he's trying to walk around the guard, trying to step over, trying to figure out how to navigate this guard right here. But as you can see, his head is way over his toes, and it gives me an opportunity to go for that sweep right there, where I grab both of the legs, put my feet into his hips, and immediately take him back and use the momentum to ride up into a dominant position. He's doing a good job here of keeping that knee in, but I was able to use my body weight to shift that knee away from his elbow, breaking that elbow knee connection and getting into a side control position here. As you can see, I'm grabbing that pant leg once again, and I'm going to do what I do best right here, quickly step over into a mount, but he does a good job of bringing his right knee in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle my body up, use my left hand, grab his arm, and settle into the mount position here. He's going to buck and try to roll me, but I've got a pretty good solid foundation in the mount right here. As you can see, I'm kind of snaking my left leg up too close to his head, trying to set up an arm bar situation right here, but I'm kind of actually just giving him an opportunity to see what type of escape he's going to try to do. I'm pretty much settled in the mount. As you can see, I'm not really going for too much. I'm kind of just letting him rock and seeing what he wants to do. Right here is where I'm going to start bringing that my right leg up into an S mount position right here. He does a good job of getting to his side, and I just maintain the mount position until the end of the roll. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of said roll. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the roll. I hope you guys enjoyed this new gimbal footage and the way I'm going to be filming my rolls from now on. It gives you all angles and all opportunities to see exactly what I'm doing, and I think that's going to be the mainstay for the rest of the videos for the channel. Again, thank you guys for the support, all the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. Thank you guys for viewing my videos, and I hope to bring more quality videos to the channel. I'm going to be talking a little bit about our instructionals worth your time, and I'm going to be adding a few more segments jiu-jitsu related to the channel. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel and my growth on YouTube. So with all that out of the way, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.